Okay, upper V. Wow.
We are taking over. Got another ready for them.
Sorry. I don't know what's going on, guys. MPP, the voting. Voting is coming on in December, and Nana people are rallying around and basically blocking the road. Concert. Why they behaving like celebrities? You are taking pictures. You can't shake him over. You're doing this. Hey, I said what? Oh. You are taking pictures of them. Ah. So voting, Koealo. Hey, serious. Big people, pa.
Wapanya manye NDCP ya nyenuone niganya yuone wacha mama leji monito mo NDC na ke ya presidential aspirants afi ballot there leji number 2 one year honorable we can no le soa leji number 2 e wa ko ke ha mama su e ko ke na o le sa 7 December because you on Friday bi ba le no watch pa na
Hey, so you what I do? Why you still She's scared of everything.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This quick video is just basically to tell you about the new Dominoes pizza that is now in Ghana. That's the only thing I order. That's the only thing that I eat pizza wise. So can you imagine, I got to Ghana and I saw Dominoes pizza was right there. So yeah, if you are a fan of pizza, you want it fresh and whatever, Domino's is the place for you. And I'm just going to quickly tell you where it's based. They're based on Oxford Road, Osu, right by the Danquat Circle. And it's right on top of the Koala Shopping Centre. And it's pretty big, very, very spacious. If you're looking for a place for pizza, I'm not trying to bring down chicken in pizza, but I just don't like the taste of pizza, so I don't really go for that one. But Domino's anytime. So yeah. Guys, the sun today, it's 11 a.m. and it's burning me like crazy. So intense. But anyway, this is the beach side. There's a church. This is where I grew up. Just want to show you this horse. This is usually a horse. Yeah, so this is the church on the side, and this is the Tawala Beach. I've got a video of that if you want to go back and have a look. I'm not going in there today, but you guys can have a look at the video of Tawala Beach. I'm actually heading to buy Kenkey. I'm going to the Kenkey house. Kind of Kenkey, shito and fried fish. That's what I'm feeling to eat. You're probably gonna have issues running later, but so it's a church right over there where I used to go. I don't know whether they've changed the name, but that church right over there, that was where I used to go. And I remember I even did a play in that church. I think I played the Prodigal Son. And a little story. Played the Prodigal Son, and they made love, you know, and I was supposed to pretend the food was nasty, you know, something like that. but oh my gosh, the jollof was so nice. I ate it so quickly. Yeah, that's one of the churches I went to when I was in Osu. So this is the Kenkey house. I'm just heading there too. It's right by the beach. As you can see, there's the beach right there. I'm just heading over to, I don't know whether you guys can see it, the package now. They're putting it together. Good morning. Come what is that? 1 city there. That's a fish near there. I think I know your hot one. A fish by now. Oh, okay. What you mommy? Where are you at?
3 cents.
3 cities. And then where you at 2 cities?
5. We need 2 cents.
Okay. Mommy, where you and I where about?
So one night.
If I am sorry. Patricia, tell mommy baby. Hey, god dang. Wash your hand.
Okay. I will wash my hand.
Kenkey is very soft.
That's why I like the Kenkey. I like that. Right there.
I just wash my hands.
That's Kenkey. That's Kenkey and some fish. That's Kenkey and some fish. To Ghana, I eat like Ghana girl. I don't have time for all that fucking knife and sitting at the table and all that jazz. I beg, make her chop my food. So there we are. For those who don't know what that is, that's shito. It's just like spices and you know, shrimps, prawns and stuff mixed together, blended, and then fried, cooked. This is just maize or whatever. Yeah, every time I eat this I have issues, but you know, I'm craving it, so whatever happens, happens. This is food I said, Jesus.